Hello everyone, it's Angel from the Abernathy's Go Green, and today I have for you my April Petit Vour unboxing. And yes, I'm not wearing any makeup because I just got done filming my review of the April Face Mask Alchemy box, and I just took the mask off and I don't feel like putting makeup on my face. So we're gonna do this barefaced, and I am totally fine with that. So like I said, we're gonna do the April Petit Vour box, but first, as always, I like to do a quick little review of everything that we got in last month's box. So let's just do that really fast. The first thing that I got was the Everyday Minerals Velvet Ice eyeshadow in Fresh Glowing. As with all loose mineral eyeshadow, I wish that this was pressed. This was the perfect highlight for my skin tone, I felt like. I used it as a brow bone and inner corner highlight as well as a cheek highlight, and I absolutely loved it. Very subtle, but also very beautiful, kind of like lit from within glow type of a highlight on my cheek. And there were no like huge chunks of glitter, so I really appreciate that. I'm gonna keep using this, and I'm very happy to have it in my collection. I don't have anything like it, so absolutely love it. And can't beat the price at $6 for all of this pigment. That would like last me a whole lifetime, I feel like. And the next product I got was the Heroic Feed Your Ends Leave-In Conditioner and Heat Protectant. I liked this as well. Really good ingredients, of course, and the scent is kind of citronella-ish and kind of minty, but it doesn't linger on your hair. I really like this. The mister is really good. It applies really well. I apply it on my hair after I wash it and then just let it air dry. It helps control my frizzy hair, along with the next product I'm going to talk about that also came in the Petit Vour box last month. So yeah, I really like this. I see myself getting a full size of this when I run out, and I like having this 2-ounce bottle so I can take it to travel with me. So the next product is the Argan Oil by Kahina Giving Beauty. This is a little sample size of it. I did compare it with my Acure Argan Oil that I have and have been using and loving, and I didn't see a huge difference between the two. They smell the same, the texture and the consistency is the same. I enjoy using this, but whenever I run out, I think I'm just gonna stick to the Acure one. Argan oil is a little too heavy to use on my face, but I do enjoy using it as a body oil, and especially at the ends, for the ends of my hair, which is what I use this on the most. The next product was kind of a disappointing one. Not disappointing, just I don't know what I was expecting from it. But this is the Konjac Sponge Co. 100% pure Konjac angel cloth. If you remember from whenever I unboxed this, this was shaped like an angel whenever they present it to you in the packaging. But you wet it and then it turns into cloth, like a Konjac sponge. You know how it's hard, and then you introduce water to it and it absorbs the water and it gets really pliable and you can rub it all over your face. It says that you can take off makeup with it without a cleanser. That didn't work. It didn't work for a regular Konjac sponge either. It's supposed to replace your washcloth or a muslin cloth. You can it says you can take off mask with it, but it didn't really. Even with like my gentle mask, it wouldn't even take off a honey mask properly because it's just so soft and squishy. Like, I would rather use my fingers. This thing is $16, and I think for $16 I can get a couple of like organic cotton or hemp washcloths, and it would last me years. And this you would have to replace, I think, once a month or every 3 months, and I'm not a fan of that. And it's also so little, and as you can see, my kids were playing with it in the shower and took off a little chunk. That won't happen with a regular cloth. So yeah, overall not a fan of this. And on that note, let's go ahead and dig into the April Petit Vour box. So this is what the little insert looks like. I guess it's their 5th anniversary. So happy anniversary, Petit Vour. So you open it and there's a little note from the co-founders, and on the other side is all the information about everything that came in this month's box. And I'm seeing a lot of good stuff, so let's go ahead and get started and dig into this box. I think I'm going to, there's so many good stuff. Okay, I'm gonna start from the bottom of the list. So the first product is by Andalou Naturals. I absolutely love this brand, but it is their face cream pod. This is $3.29. The full-size jar is $25. It says, perfect glowing skin is yours with this daily moisturizer packed with fruit stem cells and bioactive 8-berry complex. I have not tried this Goji Peptide Perfecting Cream, but I have tried and absolutely loved the 1000 Roses Beautiful Day Cream. So I have high expectations for this product. Really good ingredients. It contains certified organic and fair trade ingredients, 98% nature derived, vegan and cruelty free, of course, as all of what Petit Vour carries is cruelty free. But yeah, really excited to try this. And then the next product is by the company New Body, and it is their Pina Colada lip polish. This is a full-size product at $10. It says, using sugar to exfoliate and rich oils to moisturize, this summery answer to a perfect pout will quickly become the sweetest part of your beauty routine. So I'm excited about the Pina Colada. And it smells just like Pina Colada. It smells like summer. It reminds me of tanning lotion. Back in the day when I used to tan. That's what it smells like. But it smells really good. I'm not really a lip scrub user. I feel like it's one of those things that I can live without. I just usually use like a washcloth to exfoliate my lips if I need to. Or a sugar scrub is something that I can easily DIY. But excited to give this a try. The next product is from Suntegrity. It is their Vanish Organic Cleansing Oil. This is $8 for the sample size that has 0.27 ounces. But it says, vanish away stubborn mineral sunscreen, makeup, and dirt without damaging your skin's natural protective barrier. I haven't been into oil cleansing lately since I discovered cream cleanser. Usually what I use when I would oil cleanse is just jojoba oil, and that works really well. So we'll see how that compares. And then the last product, which I think most excited about, is by Juice Beauty, and it is their Phyto Pigment Last Looks Cream Blush. It is $25 and it is a full-size product. It says rose and purple carrot lend their gorgeous colors to this dewy cream blush that keeps skin hydrated all day. I do prefer cream blushes over powders because I think that they look more natural on the skin. So let's see what shade I got. It is 04 Flush, and it comes in a silver metallic reflective packaging. It kind of reminds me of the Honest Beauty packaging, and it has a little mirror. That's what the shade looks like. It's very pretty. It actually reminds me of a shade that I have been loving from Honest Beauty, the cream one. That's what it looks like swatched on my hand. I wonder if you can use it on your lips too, because I think that would be really pretty. But let me go get my Honest Beauty cream blush that I've been loving, and let's compare it. Okay, so I got my Honest Beauty, again with a reflective packaging, right, like I was saying. But this is a palette that I have. It's the Smitten Falling For You Cheek palette, and the blush I have been reaching for in this palette is this one right here. And it kind of, as you can see, I have a huge dent in it already. I dip my stipple brush in there and apply it on my cheeks like that. That's what the color looks like. I will swatch it next to the one from Juice Beauty. Okay, it's not. I thought it was gonna be like more similar. This is more of like a mauve-y blush, and this is more beige. I really like both, and this works really well for my lips too. We'll see how that looks a little bit more dewy. But yeah, excited to try this. I'd put it on right now, but like I said, I don't want makeup on today. So I think that's gonna be it for our video today. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.